In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from Moomoo. If you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, go ahead and log in using your account credentials. It's important to ensure you're using a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during the process. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Look towards the bottom of your screen where you'll find an option labeled Accounts. Tap on Accounts to access your account settings. This section is where you can manage the various aspects of your account, including funds and transactions. Once you're in the Accounts tab, focus your attention on the top part of your screen. You're looking for an option that says More. Tap on More, and this will open up additional options and settings for you to explore. Now, scroll down until you reach the Funds section. This section is crucial as it contains all the necessary options for managing your money. In the Funds section, you'll find an option to withdraw funds. Go ahead and select Withdraw Funds to proceed. After selecting Withdraw Funds, you'll see a button labeled Withdraw. Tap on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. It's an easy and straightforward step that takes you closer to retrieving your funds. Next, you'll need to enter the required withdrawal details. This includes the amount you wish to withdraw and any other necessary information that the app requests. Make sure to double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. It's always a good idea to review everything before proceeding to avoid any errors. Once you've entered all the details, take a moment to review your withdrawal request. This is your last chance to make any changes before submitting, so make sure everything looks correct. If it all checks out, go ahead and submit your request. And there you have it. Your withdrawal request has been submitted on Moomoo. Now it's just a matter of waiting for the transaction to be processed. Keep an eye on your email or notifications for updates regarding your withdrawal status. I hope this guide has been helpful and you now feel confident in withdrawing money from Moomoo. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Moomoo's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy trading.